Good morning, students. Let us solve illustration 43. Here in this question, interest on capital is wrongly provided in the accounts. So A, B, C are partners in a firm. Partnership deed does not provide for interest on capital. Partnership deed has no provision about interest on capital. Still, it was credited to partner's capital account at the rate of 5% per annum. So this is the mistake. It might be done deliberately, but it is a mistake. So this they have been created with the interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum, though there were no provisions in the partnership deed, and not for only 1 year. They were created for 2 years, ended 31st March 2019 and 31st March 2020. So the same mistake has been committed for 2 consecutive years. Their fixed capital on which interest was calculated throughout were 50,000 for A and 40,000 for B and 30,000 for C. So 5% on 50,000, 2,500, 5% on 40,000, 2,000, and 5% on 30,000, that is 1,500, is the interest on capital which was credited to the partners, although there were no provisions in the partnership deed, and these credits were made for 2 consecutive years. So remember, interest on capital for 1 year comes out to be 2,500, 2,000 and 1,500. During the 2 years, now they are giving you the data about the PSR. The PSR has been changed. In this case, the question says that during the 2 years, in the 31st March, they shared profits as follows. In 2019, their profit sharing ratio, that is PSR, was 5:3:2, and in 2020, their PSR was, that is profit sharing ratio, was 2:2:1. So they have changed the ratio also. So for both the years, their different ratios were applicable. You are required to pass an adjustment entry, single adjustment entry. They are requiring you to pass as at 1st April 2020, that is after completion of 31st March 2020. Now see, in this question, they have been created for 2019. They were created interest on capital, and since they were created interest on capital, that is profit and loss appropriation account must be debited by interest on capital, and since PL appropriation account was debited by interest on capitals, so profit must have reduced in that year to that extent. So instead of distributing the profit, what happened is that interest on capital got distributed. So this is the trick in this question, and this is the this is what we are going to work it out in the working note. See, the working note which the solution has provided to you is not in alignment with what we are doing till now. So we shall work out a separate working note. Don't follow it, leave it, and work out the analytical table that you know very well. So the analytical table, since fixed capital is given, therefore current account must be there for the partners. So the adjustment entry will be passed through current accounts. So A is current account, B is current account, C is current account, and firm. Debit credit column for everyone. Now, in the first year, in 2019, what happened? Interest on capital wrongly created. Interest on capital wrongly created, now reversed. Since they are given interest on capital by the firm, and that was because of mistake, therefore firm is demanding reversal of those credits. So first of all, partners are required to give back what they received, and therefore their current account will be debited by the amount of interest on capital for 2019, that is 2500, 2000 and 1500. In this way 6000 is the collection of firm from the partners, therefore firm's account is created because it is an income for the time being. Similarly, for 2020, 2500 interest on capital must be credited to A's current account, therefore it is reversed, that is taken back 2500. At the same time, B's current account is debited by 2000 and C's current account is debited by 1500. In this way, again firm has collected 6000 from the partners which were wrongly distributed to them. Now, this 6000, concentrate on 2019 interest. This 6000, since this 6000 interest has been distributed as interest on capital, therefore in that year, that is 2019, profits must be reduced to this much amount. By this much amount, profits must be reduced by 6000. So had these interest not been credited to partners in this manner, this 6000 profit would be distributed to partners as share of profit and in profit sharing ratio. Therefore this 6000 must be distributed to partner in profit sharing ratio applicable to that particular year. And since in this case we have been given that in this question for 2019 the profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2, therefore the firm will distribute this 6000 collected to the partners in profit sharing ratio applicable to that year, that is 5:3:2. Therefore the rectification done will be profits less credited earlier, now distributed. Now we are going to distribute for 2019 5:3:2, and this will be credited to the current account of each partner as follows, that is 3000, 1800, 1200 respectively to A, B and C. In this way 6000 collected from the partners as interest on capital is now distributed as share of profit. Similarly, the second 6000 collected from partners as interest on capital for the year 2020 will be distributed as profit sharing ratio to the partners in the in the ratio, that is PSR, applicable to the year 2020. So for 2020 the ratio was 2:2:1. So profits less credited earlier now distributed for 2020 in 2:2:1. So 6000 will get distributed in the ratio 2:2:1. So their current account will be created by 2400, 2400 and 1200. So 12,000 collected from partners has been distributed to partners again, but differently. So firm's account is settled. Now settle the current account of partners. So total of, now concentrate on A's current account. A's current account is debited by 5000, credited by 5400. Therefore he will be credited by 400 in as a net effect. Similarly, B's current account is to be debited by 4000 and credited by 4200. So in net effect, as a net effect, his current account will be created by 200 only. C's current account is to be debited by 3000 and credited by 2400. Therefore 6000 will be debited to the current account of C. So C will give 600 to A and B, which will be received by A as 400 and B as 200. So this is the journal entries. C's current account debit 600 to A's current account 400 to B's current account 200. So this is the adjusting journal entry. This is the adjusting journal entry. C's current account debit to A's current account to B's current account 600, 400, 200. So follow this analytical table. This is the procedure you are required to follow it in every question. Thank you. Practice it at home. Solve it once again.